how to find your transaction history of subscription on uh, TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok, then open it, and after this when your TikTok is open, and you will just go here on your profile and open your profile. Then go to this three line here, open this three line, then go to settings and privacy, and then on settings and privacy go to balance. And when your balance is opening, you will just go here on this icon and open it. After this you will go to all type here, then you will change it to subscription, and here you can find it. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.